Hey, Jeff here at Premier Gems, and here is the proper way to clean your jewelry at home. First, you want to get a little dish, put lukewarm water in it, and some dish soap. Make sure the water isn't scalding hot, just because some gems are susceptible to thermal shock, so any sudden temperature change could cause them to internally crack and fracture. Also, some gems contain liquid or gas-filled inclusions, and those can expand and cause some damage if they get in contact with the sudden increase in temperature. So just keep that in mind. And you never want to use toothpaste because toothpaste is quite abrasive. It will actually scratch the metal and can definitely scratch softer gems. Also, make sure that the soap that you're using is colorless. Some gems like opal and moonstone, labradorite, things like that, they are quite porous, and anything with the dye in it could actually seep into the gem and cause it to discolor. So keep that in mind. So once you think it's clean enough, you just want to let it air dry. You can wipe it with a polishing cloth if you'd like. And then always remember to never store your rings right next to each other. It's because the metal has a hardness, the gems have a different hardness, and if you store your jewelry together over time, they can scratch each other, cause abrasions and some chipping. So the best way to store your jewelry after it's cleaned is separately. We have a jewelry box with a lot of containers. That's a great way. Keep a little space between each piece of jewelry. For more information, visit us online at premiergems.ca or check out our Instagram at premiergemsyyc. Thank you.